Before we starting, I would like to introduce my name first. My name Amirul Shafiq Bin Rusmi and my matric number S61584 from K2. And welcome to my channel. Today I would like to teach you guys how we're gonna use Microsoft project and see the Gantt chart, PERT chart, and we're gonna see the critical path. And let's begin. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna read the question first, the assignment question first. Ask us to do right. So Microsoft project need the assignment PERT and Gantt chart. So as a staff member at Auto Accounting Sdn Bhd and Accounting Software Company, you have been assigned to the task of conducting a survey to assess the interest of e-commerce entrepreneur in adopting accounting software. The objective of this survey is to explore the intention of entrepreneur regarding the adoption of accounting software and to identify the factors influencing both non-adopters and adopters of the system. Below is the breakdown structure detailing the task duration and predecessor tasks involved in this survey. So the task commenced on Sunday, 21 April 2024, accounting for a 24/7 work schedule. So there's no rest day, and we start on 21 April 2024. So what we need to do in my project, we're gonna setting it up first for 24/7 and the start date is 21 April. So okay, now let's begin with the setting. First, what we need to do, we go to the project first, and then we view the project information. So the question asks us to do like on 21 April 2024, and then calendar will be 24 hours, right? No rest. Then we're gonna go to view, we go to calendars, we go to time scale, and non-working hours gonna be 24 hours project calendar. Now we move on to option, we go to schedule, we go to 12 AM, 12 AM ending, 24 hours, 160 days per week, and it's gonna be like 30 days per month, I think. Let's count. Yeah, I think so. And then it's going to its days, and that's it. That's setting. So what you need to do is just copy paste everything actually, because that's why we need to use this software, Microsoft project. This software make our job easier, make our job faster actually. We can just copy and paste. There's 11 tasks. We're gonna copy and paste everything first. We're gonna read it later on. For duration, just copy paste to 4, 7, 14, 5, 3. Just predecessor, just put predecessor task. So question task 1 is require task 2, and task 3 require task 4 require task 2 too. And as we can see, this is a Gantt chart. So let's see so we can see PERT chart. PERT chart. So first we want to know what meaning of Gantt chart and PERT chart. But for Gantt chart, it's a horizontal line show the amount of work done or produced. So for PERT chart, as we can see, it's also a tool, a program that evaluate and review technique. It's a visual representation of project timeline and break down individual tasks. It's kind of similar to Gantt chart but structured differently, as we can see here. When we comparing these two, we can see it's same but just different structure. So we can see this PERT chart to determine which pass with task is a critical pass. So as we can see, for critical pass, we can see the pink color one. The pink color one are actually a critical pass, like task number 1, task number 2, because in order for task number 2 to complete, as we can see on the Gantt chart, we see that it's required task 1, right? Oops, sorry. Okay, so for task 3 to complete, we need to task 2 to complete first. So, and in order to done task 4, we need task 2 to complete first, and then move on to task 5. What we need task 3 to complete first in order to move on to task 5, but we don't need task 4 to complete, so we can literally done task 3 and then immediately do task 5. We don't need to wait task 4. So after that, we move to task 6. Task 6 requires task 5 to be done first in order task 6 to start with. And then in order to do task 7, you need the task 5. You don't need to task 6. So critical path is task 6 is not a critical path because we don't need that yet. So and then move on to task number 8. We require task number 7 to done first. And then we can see here, we can see the Gantt chart here. For task 8 require task 7 to complete. Now for task number 9, actually we require 3 tasks, right? Require task 8, task 7 and task 6 to be done first in order to complete task 9. But do we need actually task 6? Like it's only review and clean the survey. Do we need that review in order to done task 9? We could just use the analyze and summary to review any feedback by them. And that's why task 6 is not a critical pass. And then last but not least is task 10. In order to complete task 10, you need the task 9 to complete. And last but not least, to submit the final survey to the Google. For task 11, you require task 10, which is you need other tasks to complete first, and then after done everything task 10, we can start do the task 11 and finish. And that's the summary. The tasks 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are critical paths, while 6 and 4 are not. In summary, what we learned from today is that we know how to do the Gantt chart, how we can do the PERT chart. Just the system do everything is automatically done. I just teach you how to use it, and then by then we know how to determine which parts are critical paths by seeing the PERT chart, by seeing the Gantt chart. And that's it from me. Thank you for watching.